Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to see unit number 3, forest and its resources. Previously we have seen the unit number 2, the wildlife. In that I have explained the related wildlife content. In this lecture I am going to explain forest cover. What is meant by forest cover? Prior to the 1980s, India deploys the bureaucratic methods to estimate the forest coverage. The land was notified the cover under the Indian Forest Act, and then official deems this land area as a recorded forest even if devoid the vegetations by the forest in the name only the methods the total amount recorded the forest per the officials Indian record was 71.8 million hectares. Any comparison of a forest coverage in India thus the meaningless. It is a just bureaucratic record keeping, no relation to the reliability of a meaningful comparison. The forest cover is defined as all lands than 1 hectares in an area. Tree canopy density more than the 10%. Very dense forest, all lands with the forest cover density with 70% above 70% and above. Moderately dense forest, on land of forest cover canopy density 40 to 70%. Open forest, all land forest covers the canopy density 10 to 40%. Mangroves cover, mangroves forest is a tolerant forest ecosystem found in mainly tropical and the subtropical coastal or the intertidal region. Mangroves cover, the area cover under the mangroves vegetation interpreted digitally from the remote sensing data. It is the part of a forest. Cover classified into the three very dense, moderately and dense and open. Then non-forest land. It defines as land without any forest covers. Scrub forest. All lands are generally forest cover area has been a bush and poor tree growth. Cheaply small stunted tree with a canopy and density less than the 10%. Trees cover the land with a tree outside of a recorded forest area. Exclusively forest covers less than the minimum impactable area of 1 hectares. The trees outside the forest, trees growing outside the forest recorded the forest area. Strategies to increase the cover. In 1970, India declared the long-term strategies for the forest development, composed the three major objectives: reduce the soil erosion, reduce the soil erosion and flooding, to the supply of a growing need to the domestic wood product industry, and a supply and need of a rural population for the fuel wood, fodder and the small timber and miscellaneous forest produce. To achieve this objective, National Commission on Agriculture 1976 recommended that is a recognition of a state forestry department and advocated the concept of a social forestry. The commission itself worked on the first two objectives of emphasizing traditional forestry and a wildlife activity in the pursuit of the third objective of the commission and recommended that the establishment of a new kind of a unit to the develop the number of other state as a established community based on the forestry agency and emphasize the programs on the farm forestry, timber management and extension forestry reforestation, degrade the forest and the use of forest for the recreational. Then what are the economic purpose of forest cover? Significant forest products in India include the paper, plywoods, swanwoods, timber, poles, pulp, and the matchwood, fuel wood, sal, and the seeds of tendu leaves, gums, resins, canes, rattans, bamboos, grasses, fodder, drugs, spices, condiments, herbs, and the cosmetics and the tannins that are the extracted from the forest or the forest cover, so that is economically benefited. Then India is a significant important forest producer. Logs account 67% of all wood and wood product imported into the India due to the preference of unprocessed wood, and this is the preference explain availability of inexpensive labors and a large number of productive sawmills. In trades in year 2008 to 2009, India is important worth 1.14 billions increased about the 70% in just 4 years. Indian market as the unprocessed wood mostly fulfill with imports from the Malaysia, Myanmar, coated China, New Zealand. India is a growing market, partially finished the ready accessible furniture. China and Malaysia account for the 60% of this important furniture market in India, followed by the Italy, Germany, Sri Lanka, United States, Hong Kong, and the Taiwan. That is nothing but a country their imported structure. Biodiversity in Indian forest. Indian forest more than the trees is the economic sources. They are the home of the some earth unique flora and fauna. Indian forest represent the 12 mega diversity of the world's Indian Western Ghat, Eastern Himalaya amongst the 32 biodiversity hotspot on the earth. India at the home of the 12 of the world recorded flora and some 4,700 species of flowering and non-flowering plants. Over the 59,000 of species of insect, 2,500 species of fishes, 17,000 species of angiospermic Indian forest, about the 90,000 animal species, and 7% of earth are recorded faunal species has been in Indian forest. Over the 4,000 mammal species found here, and India has been one of the richest variety of birds species, earth hosting about the 12.5% known species birds, and the many of these are the flora and the fauna species are endemic to the India. Then conservation, how we do the conservation. The role of forest in the national economy and ecology was further emphasized in 1988 National Forest Policy, which on focus ensuring the environmental stability, restoring the ecological balance, and preserving the remaining forest, and the other objective policies meeting the need for the fuel force fodder and the small timbers, and the number of uses we can mention here. Then types of forest, there are different types of forest. Out of there are the one temperate deciduous broadleaf forest. The temperate deciduous forest is also called as a temperate broadleaf forest. This type of forest mainly found in the northern hemisphere, also found in some areas of southern or the South America or the Australia, the region of East Asia, Europe, North America. The trees of this type of forest lost their leaves every year, and they found in a moist summer, mild winter region. Northern hemisphere include the trees like oak, maples, elm, and deciduous forest. Then thorn forest. In this type of forest, canopy is composed of deciduous trees with thorns. The forest is below 1,200 milliwater or the meter altitudes with 30% of canopy. This forest cover the large part of southwestern Africa, southwestern North America. It also cover the some part of Africa, Australasia, South America. Thorn forest has been a scrub like a vegetation dense forest. Then mangroves. It terms as the mangroves come the Spanish considered to the originated from the Guarani. Guarani, the main character features of a mangrove forest. Different species of mangrove tree, which are the usually found along the coastal or the salt water. They are found in between the latitude to 25 north and 25 south. Mangroves are the forest occurs in the tropical regions. Worldwide, mangroves are the found in the tidal areas, land habitat, or the saline woodland habitat. There is a high deposition of area. The mangroves are the swamp protects coastal areas from the soil erosion, tsunamis, and the cyclones and the storms. Needle leaf forest. The canopy cover the trees. This forest is greater than the 30% of land. These types of trees mostly found below the altitude that is 1,200 meters long, and the cold winter region are the predominantly have this type of forest that occur in Europe, Canada, Siberia. They are also called as a softwood forest, and that forest also covers the mountain regions of Rocky Mountains or the Alps, firs, and the larches usually grow in the northern forest. Sclerophyllous dry forest. The, the word coined by the two Greek word sclero and means hard and phylus that means leaves. This forest occurs in many regions of the world. Sclerophyllus. It is a type of vegetation shorter internode and hard leaves. They mainly consist the sclerophyllous leaves. These forests are found in the region of Africa, California, Australia, and Mediterranean forest. Then the some plants or the some forest found in India, that is a tropical evergreen forest. These forests are mainly found in the areas recording over the 150 centimeter average of rainfalls. Temperature varies from 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Northeast part of India, Western Ghat, Andaman, Nicobar, and Upper Assam, lower slope of Eastern Himalaya, Orissa along the foothills, the Himalayas, Bhabar, Tarai regions, and in the areas of where rainfall is 250 centimeters, and composed of a tall tree of 45 meters. Then tropical moist deciduous. These are the typical monsoon forest with a teak and sal plants, and they are from the natural vegetation all over the country where the average annual rainfall ranges between the 100 to 200 centimeter. These forests are the found in the Sahyadris, northeastern parts of peninsula and along the foothills of Himalayas. Then Himalayan dry temperate forest. These are the found in Jammu Kashmir, Lahul, Chamba and the Kinnaur. Then mountain wet temperate. These are the forests found in Himalaya, Jammu, Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh between of the 1500 to the 3300 meters. Then alpine or the subalpine forest. Alpine forest all along the Himalayas and altitude ranging from the between the 2500 to 3500 meters. It is characteristic short dwarf conifers and the lush green nutritious grasses during the summer season, and the trees found the zone are like a kale, spruce, yew, firs, birch and the honeysuckles. The major products: wood from the evergreen forest, wood from the monsoon forest, and wood from the sub uh, subtropical. Then let's see which type of wood are extracted. That may be a rosewood, which are found in a Western Ghat, lying the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. That are the wood. Then Gurjan. It is found in Assam, West Bengal, Andaman, Nicobar, Iceland. Then Telsur and Irupu. That found in West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andaman, Nicobar. Then Tun. That are the obtained from the Himalaya. Then wood from the monsoon forest. That is a sal, teak, shisham and haldu from the Himalaya, Kangra, Daranga, Meghalaya, Tamil Nadu. Then Tectona, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and the western eastern Ghat. Then Shisham, that Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu, Assam, in that area, and Haldu, that is it found all over the monsoon area or the Syria. Then woods of the subtropical Himalayan forest, that may Pinus longifolia, that found in Jammu, Arunachal Pradesh and the reddish brown in color and moderately hard. Devdar, that found Jammu, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand between the height of 1500 meter to the 2300 meters. Then blue pine, Pinus excelsa, that found in Himalaya, Chumbi Valley, Sikkim between the elevation 1800 to the 3600 meter. Canes, tendu, grasses, oils, there are the that plants are the founding in the India. Okay, this is about the first point. There are the forest and its cover or the forest types included here. If you have any doubts related, please comment below the section.